Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to connect your Shopify store to Amazon step by step so you can start selling your products to millions of Amazon's customers. Let's jump right into it. Requirements before connecting. Before we start, make sure you have an active Shopify store and Amazon Seller Central account and that your products meet Amazon's guidelines. You also need a professional seller account on Amazon. Individual plans won't work for this integration. Now, go to Shopify admin dashboard, log into your account and click sales channels from the left side and click add sell channel. Then click Shopify App Store. Now search for Amazon. This installs Amazon directly into a Shopify dashboard so you can manage Amazon listings from one place. Now click Connect Account. You will be redirected to Amazon Seller Central. Login and authorize Shopify to access your Amazon account. Make sure you grant full permission for seamless product syncing. Once connected, you have two options: create Amazon new listings directly on Amazon from Shopify or link existing Amazon listings to your Shopify products. Click product linking. Now search for your country name. Then connect account and sign in your Amazon Seller Central account. Select a product, match it to an Amazon category. Fill out required information, product ID, SKU, price. Shopify will guide you through creating the listing if you are starting from scratch. You will need to choose how you fulfill orders. Fulfilled by merchant. You ship it yourself. Fulfilled by Amazon FBA. If you are using FBA, your Shopify store will automatically mark Amazon as the fulfiller. Once set up, all your Amazon orders will appear inside your Shopify dashboard under orders. This makes it super easy to track and fulfill everything without consistently switching platforms. And that's it. Your Shopify is now fully connected to Amazon. Then you can see orders From here, then go to settings. When you connect Amazon account, you can settings from here, then FAQ, listings, or many option like that. With this setup, you will reach a much bigger audience and streamline your order management. Like this video, hit the thumbs up subscribe for more Shopify and Amazon tutorials, and drop your questions below. I answer every moment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.